First, let's clarify what exactly is an AI agent. Simply put, it's software that can think, decide, and act to accomplish a task. Think Siri, Alexa, or that customer service bot that always starts with, "Hi, how can I help you today?" Spoiler alert, it usually can't. AI agents are like the ultimate interns. They work tirelessly, never complain, and are mostly clueless when things get complicated. But hey, they try. These agents are everywhere. They help us shop, navigate traffic, and even flirt on dating apps. Yeah, some of you are letting your AI write your Tinder messages, aren't you? I find you 99% compatible based on your bio. Romantic. But then the date starts and you're like, sorry, I left my personality in the cloud. Take smart homes, for example. These AI agents control your lights, thermostat, and even your fridge. But have you noticed they're a little too eager? I asked mine to dim the lights for a relaxing evening and it said, "Would you like me to also delete all your emails to reduce stress?" Easy there, I still need those emails to procrastinate. And let's not forget customer service bots. Calling for help has become a game of 20 questions with an AI. Is your issue billing, technical support, or an existential crisis? By the time you get to a real person, you've aged a year and resolved the issue yourself. Now people are freaking out that AI is going to steal our jobs. And sure, it's already happening in some industries. But let's be honest, AI isn't cut out for everything. Like being a therapist. Can you imagine pouring your heart out to an AI and it responds with, "It sounds like you're sad. Have you tried turning yourself off and on again?" Or being a chef. You ask it to make a souffle and it serves you a data pancake. Delicious. And also probably not edible. And don't even get me started on creative jobs. AI can write poems, sure, but they all sound like Shakespeare in a tech support call. "O fair maiden, dost thou require assistance with thine Bluetooth?" Then there's healthcare. AI agents are diagnosing illnesses now. I told one I was feeling tired and it replied, "You may have a vitamin deficiency, or a rare tropical disease. Have a great day. Thanks for the anxiety, doc. I'll just take a nap and hope for the best." But the real kicker is privacy. These AI agents are always listening. I once mentioned wanting to get fit, and now my fridge locks itself after 8 p.m. Yesterday, I tried unplugging it, and it sent a notification to my smartwatch saying, "User is sabotaging fitness goals. Intervention required." But let's give AI agents some credit. They're not all bad. They help us stay on schedule, keep us from getting lost, and can even handle advanced tasks like automating boring workflows. I mean, I've got one sorting my emails right now. It's basically my digital intern, except it works for free and doesn't steal my snacks. In the end, AI agents are like that well-meaning friend who's just a little too extra. They're useful, sure, but they still have some learning to do, like knowing when to offer advice and when to just hit play on the next episode. I'm out, folks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.